Okay. Okay, today we'll do the first lab program. So the first lab program is this, which is displayed over here. And this is an easiest program and you don't have to write the Java code for this. So it is only the XML part which you write. So the question is something like this. Create an application to design a visiting card. The visiting card should have a company logo at the top right corner. The company name should be displayed in capital letters aligned to the center. Information like the name of the employee, job title, phone number, address, email, fax, and the website address is to be displayed. Insert an horizontal line between the job title and the phone number. So, and he has also given a small snapshot of the same. So here you should have a company name and then the logo of the company, something like this. So followed by this an horizontal line. Here in the question he has made a mistake. He says an insert an horizontal line between the job title and the phone number. So which is wrong. So it is between the company name, logo, and the name of the employee. So an horizontal line should be here, and then followed by that name of the employee, job title, phone number, address, email, website, fax, if anything is there. So this is what we got to create. OP people, all of you got this question? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we proceed with creating this? So please keep a sheet of paper with you or an observation copy nearby, pen, and you should have your Android Studio open. In case if you're not able to uh, do along with me because of some delays, okay, what the Android Studio creates. So that time, please make a note of what I'm mentioning and try to do it when the system allows you to do it. Okay, I am opening the new project. I've already kept, let me open the, so let me start the Genie motion also. So 1 second. Even that takes some time to start. Let me start now itself. And then we'll go for creating the application. Okay, let this start. I'll minimize. Okay, now I'm going to new project. So empty activity. So name of the application. Let me give it as L1, or yeah, L1 is enough. So, and this is where my project is getting saved right now. I add a full project with the name L1 already. Now, so name of the application, it has taken it as L1 itself, but while saving in the save location, see L12 it has taken. What I've written is L1. So now automatically it has taken it as L12 because there is a project with the name L1 already present. Okay, let me make it as lab pgm1. Okay, this is fine. So lab program 1, this is what I'm making. And as it was told to all of you in the previous class, we'll keep this the minimum SDK as API level 16. So because this ensures that your app will run on 99.8% of the devices. So just click on finish. Okay, so this is my project which is opening. So I have another window opened here. Let me close this because this is not required for me. So wait for it until it gets opened completely. Now here for this program, so in the previous class I showed you how to use the linear layout with the vertical orientation. I guess all of you remember that. And all of you done, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here I will not use the linear layout because we got to create it something like this. I need a company logo here, and in the same line, sorry, company name, and next the company logo should come. Now, when you want to align something like, so this is two UI elements arranged horizontally, and after that a line, and then all these things are one by one. So they are arranged one after the other. So I prefer using the linear layout, sorry, relative layout for this. Okay. And now you'll understand how to use the relative layout also. So in this project, you'll learn how to use the relative layout. I'll show you. So let's just get started. So if you started, right, the project, new project. Have you
Yes,
started?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, my emulator is running. So you have to join within time 11:30. You have to join 11:30 because it is only for 2 hours. So few programs it is not possible for you to complete in one lab. So we may have to do it for 2 or 3 labs. So you have to join soon. So don't delay in joining the session. So 11:30 exact you have to join. See, it's not like the Java file is not required for this. Java file is required. Without the Java, so your activity will not be binded. So your layout will not be binded with the activity. So Java file is necessary, but we don't write anything in that. So whatever the default Java code is generated, that is enough for us. Now, so all of you just go to click on this activity main.xml and just be in the design part. So this is what the design. Okay. So all of you did till here?
Yes, sir.
Activity main and just be in the design. Okay. Let me zoom it. So is this enough for you people? Can you see this?
Yes.
Do I need to zoom this a little bit, or is this enough?
It's enough, sir.
Okay. So now, see, just go to code once. So you're in the design, just go to code view. Now, as I mentioned in the previous classes, the default layout is the constraint layout. Okay, so change that. So in the previous class, we changed it to the linear layout. So from here, you select till here. So leaving this opening angle bracket, delete everything. And now we'll make it as a relative layout. I'm not making it as linear layout, relative. See, I typed relative layout. I got this. I press enter. So now it is in the relative layout. So only this much you do here. Okay. And now again go back to the design. So just change the layout to the linear layout. And this also you can delete, as I don't want this. So that is default text view which is here. I don't want this. I'm selecting and deleting everything. So do till here. Finished. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Please respond when I ask something. Now I'm going back to the design. Now here in the design, okay, what we do now, we just drag and drop the components. Okay, so I'm here. Just you can see here the palette. Click on this. So when you click on the palette, you get like this. Now the question says you got to design it something like this. So you should have a company name and a logo. Okay. Now before we start, we'll do one thing. The logo is required, right? So all of you download the logo. So download BIT logo. I'm just showing you here how to do it. Just open BIT. Website. I'm right clicking on this. Save image as. Okay. I'll save it as BIT logo on the desktop. And while saving, please do remember this is important. Please make a note. So when you're saving, so the name should be always in lowercase and avoid using the digits. So try to give the name of the logo in lowercase, all letters in lowercase, and try to avoid using special characters, digits, all these things. So make sure that the logo name is only in terms of letters, that too in lowercase letters. And type, I'll save it as PNG. Got it?
Yes, sir.
File name, all letters in the file name must be in lowercase letters. Remember this. Okay. And the type of the file, I'm saving it as PNG. Okay, and I have already the logo available on my desktop. I don't do that, but you people download and save it. Okay, I'm just canceling it. So even if I do, it will replace, nothing to worry. Okay. Okay, I have downloaded. So where is it? So it's on my desktop. Here, BIT logo. Okay, now. So come back to Android Studio. So first we'll add the logo here because logo is required. We'll add it. Now where to add? Go to RES here, expand this. You have the folder with the drawable here. All of you got this? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, before that, copy it. So just go to the place where you have downloaded the logo. So in my case, it is on my desktop here. I just right click on this. This is the logo. Right click and just do normal copy. See, I'm copying it. Okay, right click on this, copy. Go back to Android Studio. Right click on drawable. Right click on drawable and paste. Able to do till here?
Sir.
Yeah. Click on paste. Now when you click on paste, it will ask you this. So choose destination directory. So don't do any changes. By default, it will choose some directory. Okay. RES, there are two things, RES drawable and drawable hyphen version 24. So anything is fine. Okay. Whichever it chooses automatically, leave it. So just say click OK. Just click on OK. So for some, it will be choosing this, and for some, it will be choosing this. Don't worry. Just click on OK. Now it says, so new, if you want to assign new name, you can assign here also. So I just want to retain the same name because I've given all letters in lowercase letters and PNG. Just click on refactor. Okay. So once you do that, you can see here the logo is added. BIT logo.png, it is there inside the drawable folder, and we'll make use of this. Okay, while designing our layout. All of it did till here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now come back to this. Now first I need to display something like this. So we'll here we'll display Bangalore Institute of Technology, and then we'll put the logo. Now I need a text view. I need a text view. So this is text view. So common. So you can see the common widgets here. Text view, button, image view, all these things. I need this text view and I need image view for designing my layout right now. Okay, I'll take this text view, click on this text view. I'll just drag it to my layout. Say once you drag it to the layout, you'll see this 4 circles. So let me zoom it. All of you can see this now? Yes?
Yes.
You get these 4 circles. Say there is one circle here, one circle here, here. So this will get only if your layout is a relative layout. So if you are working on a linear layout, you'll not get these things. Okay. So now let me remove the zoom. Okay, this is fine for me. Now using this, see, now if I drag this and leave it here, again it will go and sit on the top left corner. It goes to the same position. So I cannot drag now. See, I'm dragging it. It goes there only. So before positioning this to the appropriate place where it is required, you got to define the relative position. Now where, say for example, this right side circle, which is here, I click on this and drag it till the end. I'm dragging it till the end. Now once I do this, now it will allow me to position this text view horizontally. So I can say bring this from here to here. If I leave it there, it stays there. Okay. Now can I bring it down? No, it is not possible. It will go and sit there only because I've not defined the relative position vertically. Now, how do I define the relative position vertically? Again, click on this bottom circle and drag it till the end. Hope you people are following. Hello.
Yes,
Please
sir.
unmute it. Yeah. Now I can position this horizontally or vertically. I can drag wherever I want. See, I can leave it here. It sits there. Or I can bring it and leave it here. It sits there. Okay, let me put it here. Yeah. Got? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, see if you want to, now here the content displayed is the text view. Now I want to change this to Bangalore Institute of Technology. Everything can be done here. Okay. So you don't have to go to the code, but since you know how to do it inside the code, let me go back to the code now. After dragging a component, I'll just go to code. So this is the text view. Okay. And all this alignment. So how much it should be from the bottom of the parent, how much it should be from the end of the parent, how much it should be from the right end of the parent, everything it has taken. Okay. So and what should be the margin end and what should be the margin right, everything it has taken. So now what we will do here, text, instead of this text, I'm removing this default text and I'll write here as Bangalore Institute of Technology. And he says the company name should be in uppercase, write it in uppercase. The rest you don't do any changes. Bangalore Institute of Technology. And then inside this again, make space for adding few more statements. So this is what I've added. Now text size I need to increase. So if I go to the design, so this is how the Bangalore Institute of Technology is looking right now. So let me position it to the center here, and here I'll go for adding the logo. Okay. Okay, here I'll add the logo. Let us go for increasing the font size because this font size is too small. We'll go for increasing the font size, and you know how to increase the font size. So text size. What is the unit?
SP.
SP. Okay. And then the text alignment will align it center. And then text color, I'll use this. Okay, so it is a red color. So let me go back to the design and see now. So this is how it is looking. Now let me position it appropriately. Okay. Okay, this is fine, I guess. And here we'll put logo. This font is too much. I can logo also I need to put. So what we'll do is instead of 30 SP, we'll reduce it. So let me make it as 25. Text size 25 SP is sufficient, I guess. Now to the design. Okay, this is enough. And you can resize this. You can bring it little to left, and I have the space for putting the logo here. So hope all of you did till here. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I need to add a logo. To add the logo, you require image view. So this is the image view. So as usual, I'll drag and drop it here. So the moment you drag and drop it, it is asking to set the image. Okay. Now, and it is also displaying all the images which are there inside the drawable folder. So I've added the logo with the name BIT logo. Okay. I'll show you again. I'm canceling it. I'm dragging and dropping the image view. The moment you do this, it will ask you. Okay. Choose the image for it. Now I want this, my logo. All of you are getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Select the logo and say OK. So the moment you say that, see logo, you can see here. And again, it is sitting at the top left corner. So you got to define the relative position for this. So drag and drop. Sorry. Drag it till the end and again drag it till the bottom here. Now you can go for positioning it. Now I take this, I drag it, and this is the place where I need the logo. I'm leaving it here. So Bangalore Institute of Technology, and then a logo is added. Okay. Now and what the question says next. So let me move it a little up. Okay, this is fine. And this also. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. Now it says an horizontal line is required. Okay. So there is no line component in the palette. So you search here, you'll not find any line component. Now what we got to do? Yes.
Can you show the code for a sec? So we missed out a little bit.
Yeah, I'm showing. Yeah. No, only thing. These are the things which I've added extra. That's all. And this is image view, so which will come. We don't do any changes to this. Yeah, just look into this. That's all. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I change the screen?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now you need a line, but there is no line component. So we can do this. I'll show you how to do it, how to get a line. So to get the line, okay. So these are the common widgets what you're seeing. There is something called as just a view. I'll show you again. Sorry. So just search here. Click on this search. So go to palette. Click on search. Search view. So you'll get an empty view. So this is a small rectangle which you're seeing here. OP people, all of you are able to get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Click this, drag it to your layout. See? So when I'm dragging, it is like another screen which I'm dragging and dropping it on to the layout. So hope all of you can see this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I just drag it and drop here. Now is it there? Yes, it is there. So it is overlapping my layout. You can see here the 4 circles here. Okay, 4 circles. And one more easiest thing I'll show you to identify all the components which are there within your layout. So there is something called as component tree here. Just click on this component tree. See, mine is a relative layout. Now in this relative layout, so I have a text view. So if I click on this, so the text view gets selected. Let me drag a little up. See, I click on the text view. See, the text view is selected. I click on the image view. See, image view is selected. And there is one more component here which I've added. Correct? What is that? A view. If I click on this, so the view is selected. Hope all of you can see the view.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll convert this view which I've added here as a line. Okay. How to do that? Here. Let me go back to the code here. See, there is a view component added, and this is the image view component. We are not doing any changes here, so it's already done. Now just come to the view component. See, layout width, I'll just say match parent. So let me go back to the design. I'm just trying to define the width of the view. This is the view which is selected right now. Now width wise, I want this horizontal line from here to here. Yes or no? I go to the code and I change this to match parent. Okay. And height, instead of wrap content, okay, let me give it as 4 dp. 4 dp. So now let me move back to the design. See, my view, which was occupying or overlapping my entire screen, now width wise it is occupying the screen, but height wise I've reduced it to 4 dp. Can you people see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I don't want this here. I want it here. Now what I'll do? So I just want to position it vertically. So I don't use this right-sided circle. I just use this bottom circle and I drag it till the end. Now I can go for dragging it down and position it just below the name of the company and the logo here. But this doesn't look like a line again. So what we will do is we'll assign the background color to this as gray color. Okay. So we'll move back to the code again. Now here inside the view. So just background. Okay. Just type background. So I just use the color. I'll just show you the color, give you the color code also for gray. And 4 4s. 4 4s you got right. Okay, now go back to the design and you see it's a gray color. The background color of my view, I've changed it to gray color. Hope people are able to understand.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay, you got to. How did you get the view? Go to search view something like this. Drag and drop it. So by default, it will occupy the entire screen. So width wise, you say match parent. Height wise, you can say it as 4 dp or 2 dp, depending on the type. So I guess 4 dp is enough. Okay, I've taken it as 4 dp, and then the background color of the view I've changed it to gray. I guess it is clear to all of you till here. Is it clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, what you got to do? Name of the employee, job title, phone number, address, email, website, fax detail, all these things one by one. Okay. Now, which widget you'll use in order to get all these things, do all these things? Text view. Okay. We'll go here. Again, I select the text view. I drag and drop it onto my view. Now, by default, it goes and sets on the top left corner. Define the relative position. Okay. And then I drag and bring it down here and I'll place it here. Okay. Now let me go back to the code. This is what is my text view that is added. Now default name here is text view. I'll change this to my name. So let me go for increasing the size of the text also. Text size. So I've given the company 25 SP. This let me take it as 20 SP. So I want this name to be a little smaller in size than compared to the company name. Okay, and then text alignment will center it, and then text color, if you want to change, you can. I go for using this color. So if you're not getting this drop down, okay, so please make a note of this color code. Please make a note of this color code, or let me write it. Ash 3700B3. Okay, 3700B3. Okay, it's this color. Now I'll go back to the design. So this is my name. So you can again select and drag and position it appropriately. Okay. Okay, this is fine, I guess. So like this, you got to add all of the components. So you can add the job title, phone number, address, and email ID. Okay. So next, job title I'll add. One more text view. Define the relative position. I bring it here. I go to the code. So this is the text view. Now here, I change it as and same again. Text alignment center. Text size. So let me make it as 18 SP. Bigger to smaller I'm coming, and then yeah, that's enough. OP people have done till here? Is it done till here? Please
Yes,
confirm
sir.
me. Okay. Now we'll go to the design. I'm placing it. Okay. Next. And then one more text view. So we'll display the phone number. I move back to the code. Now here in the text view, mobile N4, and again text alignment center, text size. Let me take 18 SP itself, and then text color, just to make it more colorful. That's all. Okay. So this B 3 zeros and 2 0. B. So 3 zeros. If you're getting this drop down, it's fine. If you're not getting, please make a note of these color codes, or else you can use any other color code which you would like to use. Okay. So instead of the color code, I've written the name of the color itself because I was using all these things. So it is taking them. Okay. Or if you want me to write the code itself, I'll write the code. 0 0 0 1 more 2 0. So now I go to design. So the mobile number is also added. Now followed by this, you can go for writing email. Okay. Let me put one more email. That is enough, I guess. And similarly, you can add the other components also. So fax and all I don't write. If you want, you can write. So I just write now my email. Email ID. Again to this. A little bit of beautification. 18 SP again. Alignment center. Text color. Okay, this is okay. Color code I'll take. Let me text color 3700B3. Okay, this much. I am going to the design again. So this is my email address. So if you want, you can increase the font size and see that it occupies the entire screen. Okay, so this is enough, I guess. Okay, now let me run this now. Okay, so this much. So I guess all of you did till here. Done, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now this is the XML code. This is more on the XML code. That's all. So this is what the XML code right now. Okay, and Java only this much. It's not like Java file is not necessary for this. So if I comment this line, your activity will not come. So what the statement set content view method is doing, it is the one which is responsible for binding your layout to the main activity. So it will take the layout from where? From activity main. Activity main is this activity main. From this it will take the layout and it will bind that with your main activity, because this is the one that is going to run. So this is going to pull the layout which you are writing here and bind it with the main activity.java. But we don't have any functionality there. So further code we are not writing. Okay. So now my emulator is already running. This is my emulator, and you can see here my emulator is also selected. Okay. Now I just click on the run now. So few important things you need to remember here is how to draw a line, okay, and then how to add the logo. So while adding the logo, the name must be in lowercase and avoid using 1, 2, 3 digits 1, 2, 3 and any other special characters. So make sure that the file name is only a sequence of letters, that too in lowercase. So it's running. And if you want, you can, those who don't have the emulator, make APK as I showed you people. Just go to build, make APK, and you can install it to your phone and you can run it. See the output. So, and one or two people, whether it is from this batch or the other batch, one or two students asked me for the Genie motion. So I'll upload it today. So that's why the WhatsApp group was created. I'll upload it today to my Google Drive, and the link I'll be sharing in the WhatsApp group. So those who don't have the Intel processors, they can download this and install. I'll share you the link today evening. So this is the easiest program, and it was possible for you to complete this in within this 2 hours. But the other programs, it is not possible for you to complete within 2 hours. So say for example, next week, if you are starting the program number 2, so half of the program number 2 we got to complete in the next week, and so 1 more week is required for completing the remaining half. So the programs are like that.
So where will you upload this videos?
This one, okay. Let me. I have the other videos also, previous class videos also. I'll upload it to my Google Drive. So I have sufficient space in my Google Drive, 100 GB. I'll upload there and I'll share you the links in the WhatsApp group, so you can refer whenever you're working on it. So because I cannot keep all the recorded videos in my MS Teams, because the limitation is only 1 GB there. I'll download and I'll put it to my Google Drive and I'll share you the links. So Google Drive, or I have the YouTube channel also, there also I can upload. I'll let you know once it is uploaded. I'll share you the links. Anybody execute it? Is the execution finished for anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me finish it, and after that, after I finish, I'll make you people as the presenter. Whoever has finished can share their screen and show the output to me. Okay, mine is running now. It is waiting for all target devices to come online. Okay, now it is installing. So launching the activity. So let me open this now. So that's come. Only thing I think I need to align it a bit more. Okay. So this is what the output is. Okay. So if you're seeing this,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
yeah. So this is the first program. Okay. Easy one. So except few things, how to add this logo and how to make a line. So if you know, so then the rest, everything is easy. Okay. So now, okay. Let me check who is finished. I'll make them as a presenter. You can go for sharing your screen and showing the output to me. 44.
Sir.
Yeah, let me stop recording because this is enough.